So in this exercise, let's learn how to change font style. If you want to change the font style, you can select that and go to font section, and from here you can change the font size, you can change the font color that you want, you can change the font style here, right? Once your file is ready, let's go to print option. To go to print option, similar, click file tab, and file under file tab you will find print option. Click on print, and here you can see the preview how your file would look like, right? So here we are just for a minute and just to check the print preview. We won't learn more right now. We are going back and to add more data in it, and then we'll come to learn more about printer and settings. So click the back arrow and let's go back to our file. This is called the name box, and from here as you type you can go to any data that you need. For an example, if you click the cursor on $50 miscellaneous expenses January month, and you can see that that data is in B8 cell. B, that means B column, and 8, that means 8th row. So B8. If you put the cursor here, you will see this name box shows where the data is located. This name box is really helpful when you enter the formula because it shows the location of the data. So 350, it shows C5. C means C column and 5 means 5th row. So this is called name box. Alright, next let's insert a chart to our file, and then we will see again print preview. Select all the data of the table. So let's select all the data, left click and drag it down till it's written 90. Then go to insert tab, double click and select 2D column chart. So first insert tab and chart section, and here as you see, if you do not find 2D chart, no worries. Here insert column or recommend our bar chart, and just you can select that. As you click on it, you will find 2D column chart. So select 2D column chart from the available options, and here you will find the expenses are shown on the chart. Rent, electricity, food, internet, phone, fuel. And January month, that's with blue column, and February, that's with orange color column. Once the chart is entered, remember as you click on the chart, left click on the chart, you will find chart design and format. So from here you can design format the chart, and there are a couple of options available with chart design, and you can make the changes as per the requirement and format the chart, so you can format your chart as well. But if you find that there is no click on the chart, there is no chart format or chart design option available. The tab's gone if it's not selected. So select the chart and you will find chart design and format tab available. You can select the chart, left click, drag it from wherever you want to get it. So you can change the chart position, and from chart size, just put the cursor on this dot and left click, drag it where you want, and it's all ready. So this is how you learn more about chart, how to insert the chart, how to see the data on it, how to format the chart, and later on you can practice and then learn more and more about chart formatting as well. So this is the data that we have entered, and this is the chart presented on the base of the data. Save your work. Remember to save your work every time. And we'll quickly look at the print preview, how this file looks like. So click on File tab, Print, and now you can see this one. We'll learn print settings later on, and we'll see our data, full data on this page. Let's go back to our file, save the work, and this is it for exercise